Flushing your power steering fluid is an essential part of maintaining your vehicle's steering system. Flushing the fluid ensures smoother, quieter steering and extends the life of your power steering components. Here are two methods you can use to flush the fluid, one with a vacuum pump and one without pump. To begin, without using a vacuum pump, block the rear tires to prevent the car from rolling, jack up the front of the car, and then securely place it on jack stands. Take a small bottle and attach a thin straw to it. Open the reservoir and use the straw to extract as much old fluid as possible into the bottle. Once the reservoir is empty, remove the inlet hose using a hose clamp remover. Be prepared for some oil to drip, place a bottle and a rag underneath to catch it. Next, unscrew the reservoir mounting nuts and carefully remove the reservoir. Then, disconnect the second inlet hose. Clean the reservoir thoroughly using carb cleaner and a microfiber cloth. Once it is clean, reattach it by first tightening the mounting nuts. Reconnect the larger filter hose, and on the other side, attach a short piece of extra hose to help with the flushing. Place the end of first inlet hose into a bottle. Now, take Mopa Power Steering Fluid, which is specifically designed to ensure optimal performance and protect your power steering system, and fill the reservoir with this fluid. Without starting the engine, turn the steering wheel. After each cycle, refill the reservoir. Keep doing this until clean fluid starts coming out of the hose. That means the system is fully flushed. Once flushing is complete, remove the extra hose and reconnect the original inlet hose. Finally, fill the reservoir to the correct level with new fluid. By this way, your steering system is clean and functioning properly. To flush the power steering using a vacuum pump, first gather the vacuum pump. Attach a clear hose to the pump, and then put another hose on the reservoir of the power steering system. Before this, clean the reservoir thoroughly with a microfiber cloth. Then place the hose at the bottom of the reservoir and start pumping the fluid out. Once the reservoir is empty, take a hose clamp tool and remove the clamp from the reservoir hose. Then take another small rubber hose and a clutch alignment tool. Slide the clutch alignment tool on one side of the hose and then tighten the hose securely. Attach this hose to the reservoir outlet. Next, place the vacuum hose on the removable inlet hose of the reservoir. Then, fill the reservoir with fresh power steering fluid. Use the vacuum pump to suck out the fluid from the inlet hose. Continue to fill and suck the fluid in cycles. When you see clear, clean fluid coming out of the hose, it means the system is fully flushed. By using these methods, you will flush your power steering fluid properly. This helps keep the steering system working smoothly and ensures your vehicle handles safely.